Hello students. Today we start the next video of treatment of goodwill at the time of admission of a partner. In this, we are starting a new case number 4, in which X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. The new partner Z is admitted as a new partner for 1/3 ratio. 1/3 ratio, it means old ratio is equal to 3:2 or 3/5, 2/5. Admitted as a partner, the new partner Z share is equal to 1/3. Z brings 1,50,000 as capital and 30,000 as goodwill. Goodwill already appear in the books as rupees 1 lakh. In this, there are two cases. While the new partner brings his share of capital and goodwill in cash, and goodwill is existing in the book, it means goodwill is shown at the asset side of the balance sheet. When goodwill is shown at the asset side of the balance sheet, then goodwill is written off by old partner in old ratio. This is a treatment while we are discussing in case, while we are different cases at the time of admission, treatment of goodwill, these cases are discussed. In this is the last case in which the goodwill is existing in the book, as well as the new partner bring his share of capital and goodwill in cash. So the first journal entry passed at the time of when new partner bring his share of capital and goodwill in cash. So cash account debited to Z's capital to premium, while total cash amount is debited because Z brings 1,50,000 capital and premium for goodwill 30,000. So 1,50,000 plus 30,000, total 1,80,000 is bought in cash. This is the first journal entry. In this, the premium of goodwill credited by 30,000. This goodwill bought by new partner is credited to the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So premium for goodwill account debited to X capital account to Y capital account. This 30,000 share of goodwill of the new partner can be credited by old partners in their sacrificing ratio. But in this, no distribution of profit is there. Then the old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. So goodwill premium is distributed in their sacrificing ratio. 30,000 is distributed in the ratio of 3:2, means 3/5 and 2/5. And the new thing in this question is goodwill already in the books. Already in the books means it can be shown at the asset side of the balance sheet. While at the time of admission, retirement or death, if goodwill is shown at the asset side of the balance sheet, then goodwill is withdrawn by old partners in old ratio. So goodwill can be written off in the firm at the time of admission of a new partner. So the treatment of goodwill when goodwill is shown in the books is X capital account debited, Y capital account debited to Z. It means old partners capital account debited to goodwill. It means the goodwill is written off. The goodwill which is shown at the asset side of the balance sheet, that is written off. And then old goodwill written off by old partner in old ratio. So the distribution of goodwill which is shown in the book is 1 lakh. So the 1 lakh is written off by the old ratio, that is 3:2. 3/5, 2/5, distribution is 60,000 and 40,000. All these four cases are of the treatment of goodwill at the time of admission of a partner. After that, we start the next topic, preparing a revaluation account, partners capital account and their balance sheet while we are solving the numerical problem at the time of admission. All these related topics which are to be discussed earlier, calculation of new and sacrificing ratio and calculation of goodwill can be shown to prepare in the accounting while we are preparing a different account in a partnership. Thank you.